Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are testing a really impressive and powerful electric scooter, Ausom L2, which GSMaholic kindly provide for us for this review. It's currently available there at a special promotional price. So this is not just any scooter, this is a twin-engine beast that combines power and precision. In practice it goes up to 55 km per hour and has a range of up to 70 km. It is a model that literally blurs the line between a city electric scooter and a real off-road machine, with big tires, superb suspension and a massive aluminum frame that looks like it's ready to survive anything. Be sure to check out this Ausom L2 video review. The box in which the Ausom L2 arrives immediately looks serious. It weighs about 35 kilograms, it's solid and well protected, and as soon as you open it, it becomes clear that it is a serious piece of technology here. Inside you get greeted by a scooter carefully placed between thick layers of protection foam. Everything is neatly packed and secured, which shows the manufacturer's level of care for the quality of delivery right from the start. When you take everything out, you get a set of accessories with the scooter itself. Some tools and accessories, charger with the adequate power connection, and the paperwork, the warranty card and instructions for use. At the first glance, it's clear that this is not a typical city scooter. 32 kilograms and the mass indicate that there is a serious construction hidden inside. The assembly itself takes a short time, freeing the scooter from the protection, raising the steering wheel and installing the speedometer, and here we are out on the street for our first testing. When you set it up unfolded, the Ausom L2 simply dominates the space, with a length of 129 cm, a width of 68 cm and height of 138 cm. This scooter seems like a real mechanical giant in the 48-volt segment. Its aggressive sporty look with the sharp lines and a thick steering wheel clearly communicates that this vehicle is intended for those who love power and performance, not compromise. The platform is 540 mm long and almost 20 cm wide, with the anti-slip surface that ensures stable support even if you ride on uneven terrain. The top layer is rubberized, soft underfoot but firm enough not to wear or easily. The height of 26 cm from the ground allows you to go over rock, curbs or mud without fear of hitting the ground. We must also mention these elegant yellow LED side lights run along the sides of the deck, not just for style but also to indicate your visibility at night. When the scooter is on, those glowing strips make it stand out immediately, giving it futuristic look that catches attention wherever you go. The handles are sturdy, covered with soft rubber and wide enough, 68 cm, so you have a full sense of control. The center is dominated by the large 4.5-inch LCD screen, clear and bright, which displays speed, battery level, mileage, driving mode and even cruise control. The Ausom L2 brings a real technological refresh to the world of electric scooters, and one of the most prominent innovations is the NFC unlocking system. Instead of traditional key or PIN code, just touch one of the included NFC cards to the central display and voila, your scooter is ready to ride. The control module on the left side has electric hover buttons, direction indicators and a round button with which to activate more power to your wheels, including both motors. On the right side we have a button for turning on the lights, plus and minus buttons with which we change gears, then button which shifts the scooter from parking to sport driving mode, as well as a lever with which we press our index finger to increase speed. Everything is really simple and clear. Now we come to the part that makes this scooter stands out in the first place. Inside each wheel is an 800 watt motor, which gives a total of 1600 watt of power, but the actual feeling of riding suggests that this figure seems even higher. When starting, the scooter responds quickly and linearly. There is no jerking, but the power is felt in every millimeter of throttle. The maximum 920 rpm and 27 Nm of torque mean that it can climb slopes of up to 25 degrees without any problems, and that's with a rider weight of up to 130 kilograms. Even if you are riding on a gravel or uphill, the scooter doesn't lose power, it just whistles slightly as if it's looking forward to the challenge. There are 3 speed levels: Eco, Sport and Race. In a single motor mode you can reach up to 45 km per hour, while with both motors active the scooter reaches impressive 55 km. In race mode, the acceleration feels almost like a motorcycle, instant response and extremely stable handling. This is not just a scooter that drives, this is a vehicle that communicates with you through every gas pedal and every meter of road. The battery is located in the lower part of the platform, well protected and completely sealed. It is 48 volt battery with a capacity of 15.6 Ah, which provides a total of 748.8 Wh of energy. In practice that means up to 70 km of range in eco mode or about 50 km in combined driving with both motors. That is more than enough for all-day use, even if you are a demanding user. One of the great advantages of the Ausom L2 is 2 charging ports. With one charge, the scooter is charged in about 10 hours, while with the 2 chargers connected in parallel, the charging time drops to 4 to 5 hours. The battery system has a built-in smart protection. It prevents overcharging, overheating and automatically balances the cells. That means that even after multiple charging cycles there is no loss of capacity, which is crucial if you plan on using it for a long time. Here is the part that makes riding scooter a pleasure. The double arm suspension with the front and rear shock absorbers gives you a feeling of gliding above the road. Whether you are going over potholes, rocks, grassy areas or urban curves, the scooter absorbs it all without any jerks. The ride becomes incredibly smooth and comfortable without any compromise on stability. The 10.3-inch tubeless tires further contribute to the comfort. They are wide, have a deep profile and grip perfectly on asphalt, gravel or dirt. With a pressure of 45 psi, the feel is ideal, hard enough for precise steering, yet soft enough for comfort. The Ausom L2 rides like a small electric SUV. Combined with such performance, safety must be impeccable, and that's exactly what we get here. The scooter uses a dual braking system, ABS, electronic assistance and mechanical disc brakes with a diameter of 140 mm on both wheels. The reaction is immediate but controlled, braking is firm yet gentle enough for not to brake suddenly and throw you forward. If you have to brake suddenly, the scooter will bury itself in place. And now the most important thing, driving. When you stand on the platform and press the gas, the feeling is incredible. In eco mode, the scooter behaves calmly, ideal for driving on a busy city street. In sport mode, it becomes lively, reaching instantly to every touch of the thumb. And in race mode, you get a real adrenaline feeling. Accelerating, braking, everything is under complete control. The feeling of stability and safety does not leave you even at the 55 km, which is rare for scooters of this class. The suspension does all incredible job. No vibrations, no noise, not the feeling of gliding through the space. When riding at the night, the front LED lights clearly illuminate several meters ahead, and the rear lights and indicators of braking make you perfectly visible. Add to that the IP54 water resistance, which means you can ride even at the light rain. The forged aluminum frame is not only strong, it is extremely resistant to twisting and deformation. It can withstand a maximum load of 130 kilograms and even higher speeds, and with larger riders there is no vibration at all. The double folding mechanism works wonders. When you unfold it, everything fits tightly. And when you fold it, the structure remains stable, making it easy to carry. All in all, the Ausom L2 is a scooter that offers a riding experience on a completely new level. With a range of up to 70 km, a speed of up to 45 km, dual motors, advanced suspension, NFC protection, fast charging and outstanding design, you will hardly find competition in this price range. If you are looking for a scooter that combines performance, safety, comfort and powerful look, this is one of the most complete models you can buy. If you are impressed as we are, you can buy it at the lower price on a GSMaholic store with the coupon code, and the sale links is right below this video. But hurry, these models usually sell out before the new shipment arrives. If you like this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell, because soon there will be a new reviews of the most powerful electric scooters and gadgets that push the boundaries of what we expect for modern mobility. Until then, bye.